Architectural Builders Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
I figured you might be the guy to help me.
So you've got an exit device and you want the push pad assembly only?
Yeah, it's my pool door here at a hotel. I don't know what they did on my days off. Some kids messed with it. Basically pulled both end caps off where they hooked the door frame and stripped out the interior right. The end caps are bent to crap and the inside stripped where I can't get any screws to bite. So looking to replace the two end caps and the actual push bar itself.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Yeah, kind of a weird one.
Not really.
Okay.
Not really. So
the
question is going to be...
The end caps, I did find the part number for. The door is a 44-inch door with a 40-inch bar, if that matters.
Oh, definitely, yeah, sure. Okay. So 88.
Yeah, and it does say 367U Panic Hardware on it. I was trying to, because I see a lot of the stuff on your website says like 335 and 313, and I couldn't find anything that said 367, so I figured I better call.
Yeah, that's a listing. That is just the record locator at the testing laboratory.
Oh, gotcha.
So let's pull up the manual. 88 series. Yeah, so the end caps and
yeah, it looks like the end caps would be like. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know what the end caps are, but what are you looking to replace? Meaning, what was damaged? Was the entire push bar assembly damaged?
No, both of the end caps are damaged. They physically bent the metal on them where I can't even straighten them, flatten them out enough to get them back on without hooking the door frame. And the grooves inside that the end caps screw into are completely stripped out.
Oh, I see.
So that's why I figured I'd replace that bar since I can't get any screws to bite into it. And get a couple of end caps. Yeah.
Dumb question. Can you? Because that's an extrusion. Can't you run longer screws into it?
I did actually. Tried 3-inch screws. Nothing is biting. I don't understand why. Yeah. Because that was my first thought, and I even tried like putting in some of that what do you call it? That steel putty stuff, letting it harden, and tried tapping it, and it just crumbled out.
Yeah.
It didn't hold. What
finish is the device?
A darker, almost matte black type finish.
Okay. So we are certainly not going to have in stock just the push bar assembly alone.
Okay.
The only thing that we may have would be an entire exit device. I can check stock for that, but the subcomponent would definitely be a factory order.
Okay. Gotcha. The entire assembly device, one that doesn't have the electronic latch, because I can just gut my electronics. I imagine they make one that's just manual push in an 8800 series I could retro the pieces over to. Do you know about what that would cost?
Well, I don't know that you could take a non-electric latch retraction and stuff those parts into it.
Gotcha. I figured maybe I could just pull the push bar off the one you sent me and slip it onto this one.
I don't know that you can. I'd have to check with the factory and see if that's possible.
Gotcha.
But let's see if we've got an 8800 and a 42. And then do you think it's black or do you think it's dark bronze?
I think it's probably a dark bronze, actually, now that you put it that way, yeah. If I have to go black, that's fine.
42 US. Okay, so it's going to be 242. Okay, so the non-electric latch retraction device I have, but let me see if 8800. Yeah, we don't stock it with electric latch retraction. I would need to contact the factory and find out for sure that you could do that. Because I don't know if you can or cannot. Looking at the parts manual, though, it's not possible for me to determine because they do not list it with electric latch retraction. I don't have a drawing for an electric latch retraction version.
Gotcha.
It's very likely you can, but I don't know, and I would prefer to find out. So with your permission, I'll contact the factory and find out.
Absolutely, because it's something I definitely need to get ordered from you. So as soon as I figure out what I need, I can get the credit card from the boss.
Right on. What's your email address?
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.